Blogging is one of the numerous things we can do while staying at home in the middle of the COVID pandemic. You can earn extra income, and you can even make it a permanent income source in the future. Many bloggers all over the world have improved their lives, earning huge amounts online just by doing what they love to do. Your first blog is definitely just a few clicks away. Here are super easy steps on how to start blogging. 1. Make sure you are inspired. Inspired to write and share your ideas and thoughts to the world. You've got to have the right mindset. Erase any doubt that clouds your mind, and tell yourself you can do this. Inspiration is the key. The more inspired you are, the more blogs you could create. As long as there is a source of inspiration, ideas will keep on flowing. 2. Having your own website and hosting platform is a must. Choosing the WordPress platform, under Bluehost is best recommended. Bluehost is one of the best, most affordable, and most trusted hosting sites. It is highly recommended by the most successful bloggers all over the world. You might be thinking of blog post or Blogger, but using free blogging platforms and not having hosting at all is definitely a bad idea and limits what you can do to your site. Sign up for Bluehost now and start your first blog today. Click link in the description to sign up. Choosing a 12-month or longer plan saves you a lot of money instead of signing up every month. It offers more convenience as well, as you would not be renewing on a monthly basis, and saves you from dealing with expired website every month. Smooth process of operating and managing your own site is ensured. The longer the period you choose upon sign up, the less you pay. Paying on a month-to-month basis could always lead to non-renewal of an expired website. Even for a short time that your site is down, it has its consequences, like higher risk of losing business, visitors or traffic. Such case happens if hosting is not renewed, or if the card expires. Another great benefit, you will get a free domain for the first year, which is a $15 value, as long as you buy 12 months or more worth of Bluehost web hosting. 3. Find time to write something, just about anything. Since most of us are staying at home for now, there's plenty of time for blogging, which is absolutely worthwhile to do. 4. Feel free to motivate others, or even lighten up your burden. Maybe it's time to set them free, what you've been keeping for some time now, or perhaps those wonderful colors that you hide inside. Writing could just be that outlet you've been waiting for. You could blog just about anything. 5. Add this as your motivation. Blogging could be life-changing. You could earn extra income at the comfort of your home. Many successful bloggers have made considerable amount of income, while doing what they love to do. Many have even made it as their main and permanent source of income, and even gained the privilege to travel all over the world. Once you start earning cash from blogging, you'll find that it's all worth it. You can work from home, travel to places you've always dreamed of, have flexible time schedule, and spend more quality time with your loved ones. With these, you'll definitely start loving your life, and you'll be surprised how blogging could improve every aspect of it. Start blogging now, build your own website, choose Bluehost. You'll find that it has the most affordable packages available. Start by clicking the link in the description. Truth: anyone can make money with a blog. You'll be able to gain the same amount that you paid for blog hosting very quickly. Bluehost is considered one of the top web hosting companies in year 2020. For as low as $3.95 a month, you can start your blog and build your own website with Bluehost. It is definitely well worth it to pay for blog hosting, and the amount you spend today could come back to you 1,000 times greater in the future. As long as you follow the right guides, and put adequate effort and dedication into it. Choose Bluehost if your goal is making money out of your blog, offering freelancing services, and turning your website into a business. Setting up a WordPress blog on Bluehost is the best option, especially if you are interested in making money off your blog. Why choose Bluehost? 1. It is very cheap and highly affordable. 2. You can run any of your own affiliate links, personalized ads, direct advertising, and many more, with a blog ran on Bluehost. It's like owning a house, you can do anything with it and in it. 3. There are many free blog platforms out there, but earning money through them is nearly impossible. 4. You'll never regret signing up with Bluehost. It is very easy to navigate, extremely convenient to manage, and enormously beneficial if you're freelancing, or if you want to turn your site into a business. Follow instructions upon sign up with Bluehost, until you reach your dashboard. Once you reach your dashboard, click Posts, then Add New. And voila! You can start writing your very first blog. Click Publish on the upper right corner to make it live. Start your first blog today, own a website you can be proud of. Remember, choose a 12-month or more plan to get a free domain name worth $15. To sign up with Bluehost, click the link on the description below.